Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another two recipes for Krishna Janmashtami, one sweet and one savory. Both very simple and easy recipes and at the same time tasty too. We are going to make Tengural and Aval Laddu. Aval is poha, which is Sri Krishna's favorite. For the Tengural, I have taken 1 cup of processed rice flour, or you can take idiyappam flour also, and dry roast it on a low flame. Rice flour has been roasted till it is hot to the touch, and I have transferred it to this plate and allowed it to cool. When cool, just sieve the flour. This is the roasted and powdered urad dal flour. I have shown how to make this in my previous video when we made the seedai. To make the urad dal flour, take this whole urad dal, wipe it well with a clean white cloth, and then I have taken about half a cup. You can dry roast this till it gets a lovely golden color. Dry roast it over a low to medium flame. See, it has come to a uniform golden color. That's why I say do it on a low flame and stir it continuously. When it reaches this color, remove it onto a plate and allow it to cool. When cool, we'll make it into a powder in a blender jar. So the dal has also cooled down. We'll grind it now into a powder in a dry powder jar. See, our urad dal has been powdered nice and fine. So the remaining flour I had stored like this. So I will take 2 tablespoons of this and we'll sieve this flour also. I'll give you the link to that recipe in the description box. Add half a teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of sesame seeds, some hing powder and salt to taste. Now to this add about half a tablespoon of unsalted butter, that is cooking butter, and mix it well into the flour. I have already kept some oil for heating over there. Now add water little at a time to make a firm dough. Again mix everything well and bring it all together. I have used the plate with the 3 holes like this. Now we'll just squeeze it out onto this ladle and be sure to just join the ends. Check if the oil is hot enough. Yes, that's right. Now gently drop it into the oil. Likewise make 3 or 4, as many as the oil will hold. While one batch is frying, keep the remaining dough covered like this. Fry this tengural on a medium flame. If it is on a very low flame, it will get soggy. If it is on a high flame, it will not get cooked properly. Next, when it is done, just flip it over to the other side and just for a few minutes more till that sizzling reduces. See, gently drain it out from the oil like this. Lovely, perfect tengurals ready for you. Likewise, make with the remaining dough also. Always make sure to close the edges like that so that it doesn't open out in the oil. See, this batch is also done now. Tengurals are all fried and ready to be served. I got about 18 tengurals of this size each. Now we will make our laddu or poha laddu. All of us know poha is Krishna's favorite, and Krishna is also known as Laddu Gopal. So we are going to make a laddu using his favorite poha. First, wipe the poha nicely with a clean cloth. After that, put it in a sieve like this and sieve it so that if there is any dust or any other small particles, they will all come out. This poha is quite clean actually. Then we can dry roast this poha. For this, I have taken 1 cup of poha. This is medium poha, medium thickness, and roast it over a low flame till it becomes nice and crisp. See, the poha has been fried nice and crisp. Now we will just allow it to cool for a while. Now add this dry roasted poha to your mixie jar, and I have taken 1 cup of this of poha, so equal quantity of sugar we can add to it. Also some cardamom powder. If you don't have cardamom powder, you can just peel the whole cardamom and add. Now we will grind all this into a fine powder. First pulse it 3 or 4 times and then run it on slow speed till you get a fine powder like this. Now melt about 1/4 cup of ghee in a kadai. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts broken into bits. Now pour this ghee along with the cashew into this poha and sugar mix. Mix it well. Mix everything well together, and then we can make it into small lemon size balls or laddus. You can easily shape them into laddus. Our poha laddus, favorite for Sri Krishna, are ready now. You can make about 12 to 13 laddus of this size. So our 2 recipes for Sri Krishna today, Tengural and the poha laddu, both made with minimal ingredients, minimal time, and with a very easy process and excellent taste. Do try out these recipes for Janmashtami. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.